Welcome back to my channel, Smoking and Grilling with me, and Mike from BZQ, like I said that way. So I'm AB, this is Mad Dog, the real name is Mike. Yeah, from BZQ. Hey, listen, and today, what we making?
We are making chicken adobo. It's a Filipino dish, super easy to make.
So, as you can see, I got a guest in my kitchen. He told me to move over. The kitchen is his. I'm gonna let him do his thing. He told me I gotta just get all the ingredients together. He gonna go, it's gonna go down the way he would like it to be. So, I guess I'm the sous chef for today. It's adobo chicken. Check us out. chicken adobo. I'm gonna go ahead and just say this is how I Mad Dog just showed me how to make chicken adobo. And from the pictures, I can just tell you from the aroma, I wish you guys could be here and smell it. You know what I mean? Man, it smells good. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut me a piece right now.
By the way, it's super simple to make. As you guys see in the video, a handful of ingredients. You can probably make this dish on less than $15 for your whole entire family. You can feed a whole family with this. Look, we didn't put any seasoning on the chicken. You don't need any seasoning. Soy sauce, garlic. You saw the ingredients. Black peppercorns, and you can eat the peppercorns. Philippines, they eat the peppercorns. It takes on a totally different flavor once it's cooked. It's not going to be super peppery. It's actually kind of savory. Do you want a peppercorn? 2 of them? Yeah, see, he don't like spicy. So if he ate it, you can eat it. You can eat it. So great dish to make. Like I said, super simple. You can make it, and it takes about 45 minutes to cook it in the pan, but preparation probably less than 10 minutes. You have to saute it. You guys saw how it works, so he won't stop. He's still eating.
One second.
I'm used to this because we grew up together, so this is nothing new. Nothing new. Oh my God.
Hey, man. Hey.
Okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We don't just grill and barbecue. We cook. Making it happen over here, and he is not stop eating. He's going to finish the meal.
AB, Mad Dog, Mike, BZQ, Kitchen and Grill. Hey, listen, check him out. I'm going to put an iCard, above, somewhere. I think it is this way. Hey, somewhere up here. Check out his channel. Hey, he's going to...
3 videos I got up.
Hey, listen, he's working on it.
I'm working on it.
He's working on it.
Yeah, I'm going to like 2 or 3 like real fast.
Okay.
This is one of them.
This is, hey, we'll see. Hey, with that being said, hey, excellent meal. I don't have nothing else to say, but listen, gotta try it. Super easy. Outside of that, hey, man,